So this is going to be in my pocket today. It's the Spyderco Yojimbo 2 in 20 CV and carbon fiber handles. This is the new Sprint run, and it's really sweet. I have an MXG gear clip on it, and I just have to be careful never to drop it on that tip like I did my old one. So there's that, and then there's always my Broken Skull pink edition, as to look less innocuous and murdery, and I got the Snaggletooth on it, and I always kind of keep it in my waistband. So this is a good pool knife. I've been in the pool a bunch of times with it and just have sort of blown it out at the end, and it's been fine. But also I wanted to show the knives I brought with me on this trip. It's always overkill. The Lynn Thompson Edition Voyager with CTS XHP steel and these cool green handles and a Snaggletooth. I brought this just in case the condo gets raided while we're here. DeMarco Knife and Tool Liberator in the Virginia Bowie pattern. That's all belly and a long back cut, long swedge on the back, sharpened. This is a great EDC Bowie. It's very sharp. The 1095 steel is very tough. I've used it a lot in the backyard, just clearing brush and such, and it's done a great job. This is the first knife I really completed, other than a small little experimental knife. And so now I make them, but I only have an hour, a couple hours a week to work on them, so it's very slow going. And I don't have heat treat oven, so I send them out. So everything is slow going, but I love making them. They're fun to make. Here are my back pocket knives. Spyderco Bug Out. Benchmade Bug Out. Kershaw Atmos. This Orion by Tangram. I love that. This Kaiser budget brand. Beautiful shaped blade. Standard Bug Out. Yeah, you know what that looks like. I have my XM24 Bowie. Okay. The Crooked River. ZT0462 CF. The beautiful carbon fiber handles. Spidey Chef. Though I brought my chef's knives up here. So I haven't really used this, but I thought I'd bring it in case we went on a picnic or something. ZT0920. Okay. K2 by Riat. Let's see, and the last thing, a Microtech SOCOM Elite. This is my road trip knife because it's got a glass breaker on the back. So just in case I have to break glass, there it is. But this knife not only has one of the most beautiful looking tantos ever, but when it's closed, it fits perfectly in the hand. It's perfectly for for using that glass breaker. All right.